What's up, y'all? This is Senshay, and I know y'all probably wondering why I don't have on my wig. So let's just go to the beginning of this video. I recorded myself doing this fabulous design. It wasn't a walk in the park, okay? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're back with the look that's gonna get you booked. Nah, but for real. So we back with a little look. That I'm gonna pop up right here. This is what I found on Pinterest this go around, and I do want to try it out for you guys on my YouTube channel. So I'm standing on business. Nah, but for real, I'm standing on my handy dandy balloon tote from the basement. So let's see what's in it. Okay, y'all, we up close and personal to see what we got in our case. So let's see. So luckily we do have some 260s to create the stem grass effect that we saw in the picture. So we are going to use those. And of course, I have these flower balloons from Party Woo. You know, the home team, so we're gonna use those. I have these are like some chrome green balloons, because y'all know I'm gonna put my own little twist on it. I'm just inspired by Pinterest. I don't copy, okay? All right, so we're gonna use those for something. I think those are 5-inch. And what else we got? We got a little sage green 5-inch that we have left over from the balloon tree that we did. I think that'll be cute. I like to layer my greens. I love a good layered look. So we have some more Qualitex, the regular green from Qualitex. We got 2 bags, so we can make some 5-inch and whatever else we need to do with them. So I'm gonna pull those out. I'm trying to figure out if I want to throw in a little color situation, maybe some yellow, since we have yellow in these flower balloons, but I'm not sure because I don't have any 5-inch in yellow. This is not the only balloon tote that I have, so I may have yellow in 5-inch somewhere, but I don't see it here, so I may add some yellow. I don't know. Hold up. We might be adding some yellow. Here goes some 5-inch yellow Tough Ticks. So we might be adding some yellow, y'all. And we got some Qualitex 9-inch yellow. So yeah, y'all, I think we're gonna add us some yellow in this thing. Okay. I'm pretty excited about what we're about to create. So it's time to inflate. Okay, y'all, first things first, we're gonna start off by inflating. We're gonna make our stems, which are these, and then the flowers are gonna go inside there. So I'm gonna try to make some on camera. As you guys know, the last time I tried to do something with 260s on camera, it did not work out for me. So I got my hand pump and my green 260, and I'm going to inflate it as long as I need it, but make sure that you leave some excess on the end. So now we're going to tie it. Like that. And make sure that neck is long as good, because we're going to be using it. Now we're going to fold this like this. You see that? And twist it like that. Okay. We're going to get the neck and wrap it around where we twisted it. You're going to wrap it around as much as you can. Come through there and continue to wrap it around till you get that. You're going to fold it again like that. And see, you have that excess. You're going to twist it again like you did the first time. And then cross this over like that. And then you have your stem. So I'm going to make a few more of these, and then I'm going to come back to start inflating our base. Okay, so now that I have those stems all inflated, that I'm going to do, I have opened my Party Woo flower balloons, and this is how they look. They come in different sizes. I think this is the smallest one in the pack. Yeah, so these are the smallest size that they come, which is perfect because I want to like layer some of them. So I did want some big and some smaller. And so these are the bigger sizes that are in here. And I don't even think so this is the biggest one. So it's really big and they come in different sizes. So I'm going to start by inflating the smaller ones. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3 smaller ones and then one big large one. So I'm going to use my handy dandy hand pump. I always use these for helium foil balloons. This is how it looks fully inflated. That is beautiful. You see that? This is how it looks fully inflated. And that is just so pretty to me. That is the bigger size. Here's the smaller size, so you can kind of range between that. Now that we have that situated, I may do more flowers. I don't know yet. I'm going to go ahead and get my base started so I can kind of see what I'm going to do. Okay, y'all, we are back with all of our balloons inflated. We're going to start with our base. We have clusters of 4. These are 12-inch balloons. We're going to use them like this to make our base. I tie my balloons at the neck. If you know, you know. If you don't, you just found out. That's how I make all of my bases. I tie at the neck. And I'm going to sit my base down like that. Okay? So I'm going to just twist these balloons in here to kind of make it more bulky, like it appears to be on the picture. I'm going to make it more bulky. And that is all I have for that. If you can see that really good. Okay, I am back with my 2 water weights that I'm just gonna push down in here. Like that. Come on the other end. And put it down there. So now we're going to add the flowers that have the stem on it. And now I have my first stem installed. Then I'm going to do my second stem. kind of going towards that way. So I got that one kind of going that way and kind of move it around. That may work. So see how I have that situated or whatever like that. Once I add the grass, which all I'm going to be doing is adding grass like right here. What I'm going to be doing is just like adding the grass effect to it in front of it like that. Some of them going to be straight up. Really not sure how I want to do it right now, but this is how I'm thinking it's going to look. Like something like that. So. Okay, y'all. First of all, this design done stressed me out so bad. I don't even have my wig on no more. Mama had done got hot as and I had to snatch your wig off because this was so frustrating. So let me be fully transparent. I was not going to let this defeat me. Okay, so I was gonna come up with something. All right, but let me just be transparent on this look. These balloons on the inspiration design that I had posted up, they had to have had helium in those balloons because they not just look here. They not just sticking up on this thing right here. This was the most frustrating job I have ever done. But even looking at the inspiration picture, logically I had already knew that I needed helium for these balloons, but I don't have any more helium, so I got fishing wire hanging from everywhere. You understand me? So I'm gonna turn this camera around. I'm gonna give y'all guys the final look because I was not finna let it defeat me. Baby, I came up out that wig. I was not finna let it defeat me, okay?